The song Good God Almighty by Crowder is definitely a cool tune to take a look at. And this song has a really cool feel to it. To me, it reminds me a lot of like Imagine Dragons, One Republic, that kind of feel if you're familiar with those groups. It's got a little bit of a hip-hop feel to it because of some of the drum programming in there. There's a lot of filter sweeps, especially at the beginning of the song. But then it has like this backwoods kind of almost bluegrassy kind of feel to it because of the gutsy sound of the acoustic guitar. There's a lap steel in there. And for us as keyboard players, we're basically just playing a Hammond B3 organ, just real dirty sounding, real gritty sounding. And then two different kinds of upright pianos. One of them is kind of like an old Western kind of saloon honky-tonk piano, if you're familiar with those. So it's very much kind of out of tune sounding. It's got a little wobble to it. And so this is a song that if you don't happen to have software, that's okay. You can probably pull it off just using whatever keyboard that you have at your disposal if you've got kind of that old saloon honky-tonk piano. A lot of times, even if you've just got a basic keyboard, it'll have a honky-tonk piano sound on there. You could use that and then switch over to a B3 during like the choruses and that sort of thing. But overall, what's nice about this song is that it's an easy tune to learn. There's only two sections that we have to learn, and they're identical, and they're really short. So for now, go ahead and get your rig set up, watch the music video, and let's jump in. One, two, three, four. So again, we're just playing 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1. But we're doing little like little added notes. I'm just kind of like a grace note from the E to the F sharp. Kind of hitting that E before I hit the F sharp. In my left hand, I'm kind of anticipating hitting the bottom note first and then the top note. 3, 4. And that's for our intro as well as our verse.